Know what the fuck is going motherfucking on?
Turn the lights on.
One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3
She came
orgasms.
twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
So, what's up? It's your girl back with another video. We doing the ball cap method today. I'm showing you how to install your ball cap like a pro. So, make sure you get them edges together with some gel or gotta be glued or something of that nature so that you can go ahead and make sure that this cap is installed nice and seamless. I am using the thinner HD cap, so I suggest using these. These are one of the best, most durable caps. I didn't get no runs, and it blends really, really well. So it's really simple to use. Now I'm just going to secure the cap by sewing it onto the back of her braids. Okay, so next I'm going to secure the cap with the EBIN adhesive sensitive skin spray. And as you can see, I am using this glue or spray on her edges. And the reason I'm doing that is so that it'll give me a line of demarcation to protect her edges. Also, the adhesive spray is removable with alcohol and even just water. I've used it many times and removed it with just water. So this is a great way to show where it is that you need to put your glue and not put it on your edges, and you'll see how I do that. So you see, it is giving me a line of demarcation where her hairline ends, and that's what you want, because you want to be able to know where you're gonna put that glue, right? So that way it protects the edges. And even if you do get glue on the edges, if you remove it like I told you, or like I advised in the video previous in my ball cap, removing your ball cap, you won't have to worry about losing any of your edges, so you won't have any hair loss. And I am using the blow dryer on cool, not on hot or warm, because when you use it on cool while you're installing, it will actually make sure that there's less irritation during the wear. So you know how, I don't know about anybody else, I know with myself, I end up having irritation. So irritation comes maybe about the 3rd or the 4th day. But I notice when I use hotter heat, I get irritation like within 2 days. So cool is the best way. And so what I'm going through doing now is I'm just cutting out her ear. I only make a little snip, cut out her ear. I also use adhesive spray to make sure the that the cap doesn't run. The tiniest bit, and then I just pull her ear out. So cut it the tiniest bit so that you will make sure to have a cap around the back of the ear where there is hair. And so I'm just going through securing the cap around the back of the ear, things like that. And I did this to both ears. I did the same thing to both ears. Now I'm going through and I'm using adhesive. And like I said, I'm not going to put it on her hairline. I'm just going to put it right after that line of demarcation that I have from the adhesive spray. And the reason I'm doing this is to secure the cap even more, especially when you want to have an install that's like 2 to 3 weeks. You want to make sure that your ball cap is nice and secure and it's not sliding back before you install your unit, or excuse me, after you've installed your unit. And so as you can see, like I said, I'm not putting glue on her edges. I am only putting it around her edges. And for the people that have a further hairline that's closer to your eye or temple, you want to make sure you're getting bigger units, and you want to make sure that you're having your client hold the cap down so that you can get it really nice and glued on there. So now I'm just cutting the cap, and as you can see, I've cut half of it already. And now that I cut half of it, I did not cut the rest. I'm going to install thin layers of glue between the cap and her skin. And it's literally only one layer. See, one layer. I didn't do multiple. Now we're going through drying it. I have not cut the back of her cap off yet. I do that all the way at the end. Now I am cutting her cap off. Be careful, you can almost nip your client like I just almost did, but the scissors are really sharp. So when your scissors are really sharp, you get a nice, flawless install of your cap. That's how you want it. You want it nice and flawless. And these thin caps are so bomb. So look, I suggest you go get them HD thinner caps, honey, because they are the bomb. They poppin'. And I will put a link in the bio or in the description box. So now I'm going through and I'm putting glue where it is I know I'm going to be installing her hair, or her unit, I should say. And here I don't do very many layers either, because I want to test to see exactly where it is I'm going to put it. But this gives me an idea of how far I can bring her unit down. Make sure that the utensil that you're using is clean. You don't want a dirty utensil. Now we're going through with the Ruby Kiss. And the Ruby Kiss is the bomb for us dark skin ladies, honey. And that's number 15, and I use the darker side. And it blends so well. It's like exactly, but like the slightest shade darker, so that when you do your unit, oh my gosh, flawless. And you may not be able to see, but I am using a sponge going around her edge. As you can see, honey, popping. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through, clean up her edges with alcohol. Make sure that there's no glue on the edge. Make sure that there's no makeup, so that when I do her install and I put glue on it again, that is nice and clean. So this is pretty much it. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Also, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I put up new videos. And I love y'all. I'll holla back soon. Peace.
For hands to bodies, reorganize.
I came twice, I came last.